Check this out, guys. I'm be the first to spot it. Low cut patent leather on the kids, high cut on the adults. That's crazy. And then on the kids, they have a blue traction pad at the bottom. It's not even translucent. You have the gamma blue traction pad at the bottom. And then on the adults, you have the sky, the translucent with the carbon fiber. I didn't even see carbon fiber on that one. That's crazy. So yeah, there are some differences with the kids, which we all know that. I just wanted to show you guys the difference. But you can't go wrong with either one of them, the kids or the adults. Alright, guys. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one.